Officials of the TDC group of companies and government officials turned the soil of TDC's newest housing project that is expected to cost about $16 million when completed. Called the Residences of Dewars, TDC has spent over $3 million to date developing the mid-market housing project that will have 30 lots on 5.69 acres of land. According to Mr. Earl Kelly, the TDC chairman, lot size will range from 6,020 square feet to 7,241 square feet and will have a sale price between $20 and $22 per square foot. According to the chairman, the project will be a boost to the economy and to TDC itself.
We expect to, over the life of the project, to employ a couple of hundred employees, masons, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, air conditioning technicians, laborers, heavy equipment and truck operators, and of course the folks at the Homer Building Depot, they will be engaged. So we'll be able to create and maintain sun drives. St. Masonry products, of course. The folks, they make concrete, manufacture concrete and manufacture blocks. We consider this as a very important contribution of the TDC group to the local economy. And Mr. Prime Minister, I just want to let you know that as we proceed, we expect that you will see the wisdom in agreeing to sell us even more land at an affordable rate so that we may continue this development. And who knows, elsewhere in the Federation. I know we have never done a project in Nevis, and as a Nevisian, surely, you know, and most of us have Nevisian roots, we want to also contribute to the economy over there.
Prime Minister Dr. Timothy Harris described TDC as a dynamic company that always looks for opportunities that help advance the quality of life of people on St. Kitts and Nevis and emphasized that housing remains in high demand.
The market for housing at this time, in my view, is great. And as the chairman indicated, already they have seen and received an avalanche of interest applications in this project. The government wants to focus on the low income and the low middle income market in providing affordable houses. And we want the private sector to partner with the government as the largest owner of land in the country to facilitate the housing demands in our country. And that is why it is good to have come on this beautiful site, picturesque, giving you a view of seas and mountains, etc., on an unbeatable site. And the chairman forgot to say, deliberately so, that he got the best price that money could buy for this particular piece of land. Imagine what you would pay in a private market if you were to come, look at this site now, look north, look south, look east and west. You know this would be big money in US dollars per square foot. We charge him in EC, so you can imagine what a discount. But I want to really commend the interest, the zeal, the mode of expansion that the TDC group is displaying. Clearly we need that if we are to build back a more resilient country after the continuing negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Prime Minister reiterated that construction will be the country's economic growth driver as the pandemic recovery process occurs throughout 2021. Glenn Pat, SKN Newsline.